Which of the following is equivalent to the expression above? All right. So basically, it's kind of complete the squarey, vertex formy type of problem, but it's not. I guess the long way of doing it would be let's FOIL that out and add 5 and see what happens. Let's FOIL that out and subtract 5 and see what happens. But I'm going to go a little bit of a different route. I am going to kind of pretend that we have the beginnings of a perfect square right there. Now, in order for me to turn x squared plus 6x into a perfect square, I have to add 9 to it. Now, if I add 9 to something, that's just an expression, I have to subtract 9 somewhere else. Oh, by the way, 4 is just kind of hanging out there. So now what I have is something that FOILs out to x plus 3 squared plus 4 minus 9 is minus 5. So I went about that in a different way and probably not the best way, but that's kind of how I felt seeing this problem. The easiest way to do it maybe is to FOIL all of these out and then combine like terms. I don't know, whatever floats your boat, but this worked for me. I liked it. I'm sticking with it. The end.